Market is not going up because everything's getting better. The market went up last week because of option manipulation. 0-day time expiration options, which are you buy it today, buy it in the morning and it expires by end of trading day, is one of the reasons why this market, S&P, the Nasdaq, have been all going up over the last week or two. This isn't about earnings. This isn't about that. And today's move on the triple Qs, follow my triple Qs trade ideas. I'll leave a link in the description below. The triple Qs dropped by 1.3%. We pivoted yesterday. Selling into the market going up is what institutions did. And today they're selling against or selling and the market is falling. And we will continue to see that. My target on the triple Qs is